Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, it's the day to go get the Spitfire. Got the trailer out there. So, got a buddy of mine coming over to help, so let's go get her. Yeah, I got the garage pretty well cleaned up. This box here has got to go out to the edge of the road for trash pickup. And I moved some of the stuff, which I still may need to move some more. Those boxes there, they're going to get thrown out. But I've been just waiting on him and cleaning up to make room for the car. At least it's a small car. I mean, let's just say I'm 6 foot. And if you put your arms straight out beside you, straight out, that's about how wide the car is. It's not, and it's probably a little less. So I'm gonna have plenty of room. But just waiting on Dave to get here, and then we're gonna take off and go get her. I rented a U-Haul trailer. Gotta have it back by mid-afternoon. I'm shooting for 1 or 2 o'clock, because then after that I'll be done for today. My back has been hurting. And the wife will be happy to get her car back over here in front of the garage. But I got a buddy of mine said to bring the trailer on over. He'll go through it and scrap all the crap that you can get. And that'd be cool. Yeah, I should roll this carpet up and then that one back there, just so the car ain't sitting on it, and I'd be able to use my creeper to get around underneath it. Plus I want to clean the floor. These things are grubby. I want to use the power washer on it. And I'll probably put them over there in front of the toolbox and the bench and that. At least you got something to stand on. There is another one there. You see it's rolled up underneath all that junk. I mean, it'll make it to where it's comfortable standing. I still got that whole corner to clean. I just haven't had the time. I was sick for 3 days. On Thursday, I got sick as a dog at work. Had to come home early, and then I had Friday off and Saturday. I felt a lot better like yesterday afternoon, evening. I feel better today, but I don't want to push it to where it comes back, It's pretty cold today. It's, probably in the 40s to be 50 today. And then tonight they're talking possible freeze watch. So we'll see how that works out. Wake up in the morning with ice on the freaking cars. Well, we'll see. Oh, what a workout. I didn't film none of moving it, but we got her in. Got the U-Haul trailer. Now I gotta take it back, return it. Just taking a little break. My buddy, he just left. Boy, plenty of room in here. I thought it's going to be tight, but I guess not. I'm going to get some of those wheel dollies. I see guys selling them on Facebook Marketplace. You can get 4 of them for like $80 or $100 or whatever, but that'll help be able to move the car around. But I want to put it up on jack stands so I can work on it, so that ain't going to help none. But do the body work and the suspension and all that, I might just wait to get those to whenever I start get the suspension done first, and then put it down on the body work done, and then put it down on the dollies so I can move it around. All I'm going to be doing is moving it side to side and a little bit here and there. But I pulled the generator out. It's little tight sitting there. But we're going to put it off in the shed. My boat motor stand was back there in the corner. I'll probably just put it out in the shed so I got even more room. But this is the side I want to work on body-wise first, and then get back to the passenger side. Well, we threw some stuff inside it. Jack stands. I got the jack in the back of the truck. Just, we're got plenty of room though. We tried to start it to get it up on the trailer. That didn't work. But plenty of room in here though. Heck, it's 3 or 4 feet over here. A couple feet on the other side if I move those bins and stuff. So yeah, I like it. I do got to get hold of Jim, and we're going to work on getting this thing fired back up. A little single carb, hardtail. She's a rough rider, but she's a fun little thing though. But what do you know if you guys know what's different about this thing? She leaks oil like a sail whenever she's probably don't have much oil left in it. Because if you look, I put cardboard down because that carpet I pulled out of there was saturated in oil. Yeah, I bet you that's where it come from. This is where the bike sat. So I got kitty litter I'm going to throw down, try and get this all cleaned up. But yeah, she marks her territory. Well, there we go. Dropped the trailer off at the U-Haul. Stopped here at Dollar General. And nice old truck. Just sitting there just rumbling away. Let's get back to the house. And just like that, we're back at the garage. Yeah, I moved the bike into the edge of the garage. I am going to jack the car up and get it up on jack stands, get it where I want it, so at least it's done. And I can start working on this thing. Well, we got the back end up on stands, but the front end, I can't get the jack under. So, she won't go underneath the cross member. So, I'm kind of thinking I might have to take them back off the stands, get the front end up in the air, and then do the back end. Can't freaking win. Yeah, there's my lunch. Well, I was just thinking, my plans are to redo the bushings on the back end first anyways. I want to get, like I said in the last video, one of the last videos, I can't remember, I'll put it up above, that I need to pull the drive shafts from the diff on both sides to be able to change the U-joints and the trunnions to re-put new bushing kits in them. So I'll just worry about the front end later. Once I get done with the back, that'll give me a chance to work on the exhaust. I might be going with a new exhaust setup. We'll see. And then I will go with the front. And got body work to do. And I tried some polishing, which was only a couple times with and it looks better than it does. So I might just slowly over time give her a buff job, because I'm not going to repaint this thing. This is not a restoration, it's a preservation. Just trying to get it legal, looking decent. You don't have to be perfect. Just to ride around, a toy. Then maybe next winter she might go have more done to it, you know. I want to drive it. I don't want to have it sitting for years. Plus, I wouldn't mind finding, once I get this up to snuff, I may part ways with it and get I want a TR6. I wouldn't mind a GT, which is the hardtop fastback. This kind of body style, but it's good. So, don't know. We'll have to see how things pan out. But, yeah. I got kitty litter down. I'm tracking it all over the place. That's the only thing bad about kitty litter. Trying to clean up all that oil. I'm going to let it sit for a while. I was pushing it in and working it, which that does help do. Gets it clean, worked in. But I want to get that cleaned up. Little spot under the bike's front tire. Sweep, and then get the rest of the junk out of here. And at least we are at the new location. Well, there you go. I'm calling it quits. It's Sunday. I got to get ready, get shower, and all that for work tomorrow morning. I just got a couple things I got to pull out of the back of the truck and put in here, so I ain't lugging them around. But, yeah. Welcome to the new Lost Wrench Garage 2.0. But, hey, guys, you know that 94% of my viewers are not subscribed. I don't understand why, but I'd like to get that numbers down, closer to 50%. If you like this kind of stuff, mash the bell or the subscription button. Go ahead and subscribe. And you'll get more content. You'll get to see more neat stuff happening. Leave a comment. I try to reply to all my comments, and it's a good way to find my channel, or your channel. This is my channel, your channel. It's an easy way for me to find your channel. But give me a big thumbs up, and not the finger. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.